The McDonnell Douglas DC-10 emerged in the late 1960s, when airlines needed a jet smaller than the Boeing 747, but bigger than narrow-body planes. They wanted a versatile aircraft for popular long-distance routes, one that could carry many passengers efficiently. McDonnell Douglas answered with the DC-10, a wide-body jet with 3 engines, 2 under the wings, and a distinctive third in the tail. This design gave the DC-10 its iconic silhouette and allowed for a spacious twin-aisle cabin. The first DC-10 flew in August 1970, meeting airlines' demands for range, power, and comfort. The cockpit featured a 3-person crew, standard for large jets of the era. McDonnell Douglas raced against Lockheed's L-1011 TriStar to deliver the first wide-body jet. The DC-10 was adaptable. Some versions served busy domestic routes, others flew long-haul international flights. Its flexibility made it a favorite for airlines looking to expand their networks. The DC-10 promised affordable, mass air travel, opening the skies to more people than ever before. It was a product of optimism and innovation, designed to meet the needs of a rapidly growing travel market. The DC-10's arrival marked a new era in commercial aviation. It set the stage for the next generation of global air travel. The DC-10 entered service in 1971 with American and United Airlines, wowing passengers with its wide, comfortable cabin and quiet engines. Airlines installed lounges and bars, making flights feel glamorous and social. The DC-10 quickly became a symbol of modern air travel, ordered by airlines worldwide. European carriers like Lufthansa and Swissair used it for transatlantic flights, while Asian airlines connected their countries to the world. Its ability to operate from shorter runways opened new direct routes, expanding the global flight network. The DC-10 family grew, the DC-1010 for domestic routes, the long-range DC-1030, and the DC-1040 with different engines. The U.S. Air Force even adopted a version, the KC-10 Extender, for aerial refueling. Throughout the 1970s, the DC-10 was a common sight at major airports, reliably flying millions of passengers. It was featured in ads and became a source of national pride. For a time, the DC-10 defined the golden age of wide-body travel. Its unique design and dependable service made it an industry star. The DC-10 brought comfort and style to the masses. It helped shape the modern era of aviation. The future seemed limitless for this new giant of the skies. The DC-10's reputation was shaken by a series of disasters. In 1972, American Airlines Flight 96 suffered a cargo door blowout, causing decompression and floor collapse, but the crew landed safely. Investigators found a critical flaw in the cargo door's latching mechanism. In 1974, Turkish Airlines Flight 981 crashed near Paris after a similar cargo door failure, killing all 346 on board. The disaster exposed the deadly consequences of the design flaw. In 1979, American Airlines Flight 191 crashed after an engine and pylon detached during takeoff in Chicago, killing 273. This time, improper maintenance, not design, was to blame, but the DC-10's image suffered. The FAA grounded the US DC-10 fleet and other countries followed. Media coverage was intense and public confidence plummeted. The DC-10 became synonymous with disaster despite many safe flights. Investigators also found vulnerabilities in the hydraulic systems near the tail. The once celebrated jet was now under intense scrutiny. The tragedies forced a reckoning for McDonnell Douglas and the aviation industry. The DC-10's future was suddenly uncertain. After Flight 191, the DC-10 was grounded and thoroughly inspected. The main cause was improper maintenance, but the FAA ordered design changes, stronger engine pylons, and a redesigned cargo door. These fixes made the DC-10 much safer. Rebuilding public trust took years, with airlines launching campaigns to reassure travelers. Gradually, the DC-10 regained its reputation through safe, reliable service. A 1989 incident in Sioux City showed the plane's durability and the crew's skill. Many survived a catastrophic failure. The DC-10 story became one of resilience and hard-earned safety. By the 1990s, newer, more efficient twin-engine jets replaced the DC-10 for passenger service. Airlines phased it out, but its strong airframe made it ideal for cargo. FedEx and UPS converted many DC-10s into freighters, extending their careers. The MD-10, with a modern cockpit, kept the design flying even longer. The last passenger DC-10 flight was in 2014, marking the end of an era. The DC-10's legacy as complex early tragedies led to major safety improvements across aviation. Its story is a lesson in innovation, failure, and progress. The DC-10 is remembered as a flawed giant that ultimately made the skies safer for all.